Welcome. Today, we'll explore two types of smart automatic gates, both remote controlled, modern, and designed for effortless security. First, let's look at the one-side sliding gate. With just a press of the remote, watch as the gate glides smoothly to one side, creating full space for your car. It's simple, secure, and perfect for compact driveways. As the vehicle enters, the gate closes automatically, ensuring safety and convenience. This system runs on an electric motor, built for reliability and low maintenance. For anyone who needs a space-saving solution, the sliding gate is a smart choice. Now let's see something more advanced and stylish. The four-leaf folding gate with hydraulic arms. One press of the remote. The motorized hydraulic arms make the movement smooth yet powerful. And the gate opens from the center, folding outward into four sleek panels, two on each side. This design is perfect for wider entrances, where you want both strength and elegance. Once the car passes, the hydraulic arms quietly bring the panels back, locking the gate securely in place. It's space efficient, strong, and visually impressive, making it ideal for modern homes. So how do they compare? The sliding gate is simple, reliable, and great for smaller areas. The folding hydraulic gate is more stylish, heavy-duty, and designed for wide driveways. Both give you convenience, safety, and smart control, just with different styles. Which one would you choose for your home? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart home tech videos.